So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can earn $50 monthly on Bittoken. Some of us has heard about this Bittoken, or if you have not heard about Bittoken, this video is going to guide you on how to mine this token and earn monthly. I did not say weekly, I say monthly. You earn by staking your BTT, which it is withdrawable. Once the stake period expires, you can withdraw it to your exchange. Now let's go. This is how you mine. Once you register, you locate the link here. You will see mine. The link will be in the video description and the comment section. Click on it and start. Register immediately. You will see this mine. This is where you mine. You mine 3 hours, 4 hours, depending on your RP. Depending on your RP. And how then do you increase your RP? To increase your RP, you can now see this place that says end. The end session here. Sorry. Look at the end session. You tap on that end. You have a lot of tasks to do. You have to subscribe to the channel, normal way of doing tasks. You have to watch their YouTube video. You click on any video you have here. I have done some. You click on any video, it will take you to their YouTube. You watch the video. After watching the video, go to the comment section of that particular video. You are going to see people drop the code for that particular video. Copy it and come back and paste. Once you paste it, you're going to receive 500 SRP. This will help to increase your SRP. And the fastest and easiest way to increase your SRP, your RP is you watch ads. This ads is very, very simple. You watch ad up to, like, let me say 5 to 7 seconds ad. You watch it and earn 1,000. So you watch the ad. After watching the ad, you are going to receive 1,000 RP, and it will help to increase your mining speed per hour. So you have to go to the end session. Once you go to the wallet section, this is where you do your KYC. You go to the wallet section here. Once you tap on the wallet section, you are now going to see your balance, your USDT, and the BTT. So it is advisable you do your KYC. And to do your KYC, if you come to here, they said KYC, mine is showing approved because I have done it. But if you have not done it, there's 2 methods to do your KYC on Bittoken. The first one is the minimum deposit is 10 USDT. For you to do your KYC will require you paying $1 for your KYC. That means if you deposit $10 to do your KYC, they will take $1 for the KYC. The remaining $9 will be stock. So it is advisable you deposit at least 11 USDT so that 1 USDT will go for the KYC. Then the remaining 10 USDT, you can withdraw it immediately. But if you wish, you can reach out to me. I will tell you the solution whereby you can perform your KYC. You just deposit $1 and do your KYC and start trading on P2P here, on Bittoken. So you do that. Now here is where you stake. This is where you stake. You can now see once you do your KYC, the next option is for you to stake that your BTT. To stake your BTT, the network is not stable right now. I've been trying it, it's not going. So they have staking rates. They have 1 month. This is the staking rate. They have 1 month. They have 3 months. For that 1 month, you are receiving 2.50%. For 3 months, 10%. And for 6 months, 30%. 12 months, 80%. 24 months, 200%. So this is what the staking rate they have here. And looking at what they said here, they say users can choose any staking option that suits their investment goals. Multiple staking options are allowed for portfolio diversification. So you can choose multiple staking. Now they say earnings from staking can be claimed after 24 hours and withdraw instantly. So after your staking expires, you can withdraw instantly. Now what you need to do is you click on this stake now. You click on the stake now. The system, or they are currently doing maintenance, because once you tap on stake now, it will tell you that your staking is fully subscribed for now. So this is where you stake. You choose the months you want to stake. And if you have any running stake, you're going to see it. I don't have any running stake. So that is it. That is how to earn from this BTT. And they said here that 1 BTT is giving you $0.5 at listing. one BTC, one BTT, $0.5 at least. So take advantage of this. Start immediately. The link will be in the video description. For your KYC, for your easy KYC, reach out to me. I will guide you on step by step on how to do that. So that is it for this video. The link will be in the video description. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.